Welcome to this tutorial video. The goal of this video is to show you how to view a booking's history. The View Booking History function gives the user the ability to view any and all changes that was made on a patient's booking. From the diary screen, click on the booking that the user would like to view the history of. The Add Edit Booking screen will open. Click on the History button in order to view the history of the selected booking. The Booking History screen will open. By clicking on the Show Only Diffs checkbox, any and all differences that were made on the booking will appear. Now let us go over the information that is divided into columns. Date and time is the date and timestamp that indicates when changes were made to the booking. Action is what happened on the booking. For example, insert, which is the first time a booking was added to the diary, or update, which is any changes that have been made to the booking. ID refers to the booking number that is automatically allocated when the booking was made. User refers to the person who created the booking whilst logged into the GoodX system. Diary is the diary that the booking was made on. Time is the time slot on the diary that the booking was made on or updated. Debtor refers to the person who is responsible for the account, whilst patient refers to the patient who was booked for the appointment. Treating doc will display which treating doctor was assigned to the patient. Service center is the facility where the appointment took place in. Type refers to the type of booking which was had. Status refers to which status the booking was in. Invoice number refers to the specific invoice that was attached to the booking, and receipt number refers to the specific receipt that was attached to the booking. Deleted refers to whether the appointment has been removed or not. If it's true, the appointment was deleted, and if it's false, the appointment is still booked. Click on the Close button to close the booking history screen.